Hi guys, replacing antifreeze in a car for many goes according to a similar scheme. Drains the old fluid and fluid in a new one. At the same time, the issue of flushing the cooling system is not considered at all. Shale and deposits begin to impair heat transfer, and this is not tolerant by modern power unit, in which the limited temperature does not exceed 100 degrees. Under such circumstances, even a short overheating can cause deformation of the motor elements. To do this, you just need to follow similar rules. Monitor is condition of this cooling system. The circuit should be flashed periodically. It's best to perform the product when replacing antifreeze. Flashing is very simple. Just drain the old antifreeze, dilute the required amount of flashing in water and pour it into the system. After that, the motor should run at the high speed. After that, you need to drain the composition and rinse the circuit with water and then fill with fresh antifreeze.